everybody, ADJackson330 here, and I am so excited today to be unboxing the October VBKit. This is Cafe Papershire, and it is in a box this month rather than an envelope due to the size of this special item. I'm really looking forward to getting into this, so let's just go ahead and start. So let's start off with a close-up of this month's kit envelope. Now this month we have a special designer collaboration with Papershire Stationery, so you will see a lot of her art throughout this kit. Beautiful, beautiful artwork. I love coffee, so this kit is very me. And here's a look at this month's inventory card, which just gives a little snapshot of everything that is in the kit. And then on the back side, you get this really cute card, coffee, a little definition, and Papershire Stationery art down at the bottom. I'll probably do a washi dashboard on the back of this, hole punch this, and stick it in my A6 because this is so cute. So let's just jump right in with one of my favorite products already, just from unpackaging everything from this video. This month's Notepad has really nice foiling on the border, and then also in the artwork down at the bottom, get a close-up of that because, I mean, how cute. And then you get tons of pages, and it's got plenty of space to write. Yeah, this is probably gonna get punched and put into my planner too, and already I'm thinking about laminating a sheet and then layering it with a vellum with a quote in this section. Tons of ideas already just for how to use this that's not, just jotting down notes. Transparent page flags are back again this month, and I am obsessed with this color palette. I mean, look, you've got all your shades of coffee right here. Which one are you? I think I'm more like right here in the middle. I like a lot of creamer, but not this much creamer. That's probably too much. And you've got the foil on the background, the backing card. Okay, so let's test out the transparency of the darkest one just to see what we're working with here. There we go. So yeah, you can still see the logo through there. This is such a pretty neutral palette. How adorable are these Dangle Charm paper clips? Oh my goodness. Okay, so let's get a close-up here. So you've got your planner that has the glitter on it, scallop spine, a little bow clip sticking out, and then the cup of coffee with a latte art. And I love that they're on the teardrop shaped clips too. So these are really nice to dangle either on the bottom of your planners or even on the sides just to add a little something extra to your planners. So this month we got a notepad and a sticky note, and this one is super minimal. You've got your little dots over here, check it off. So really great to add into your inbox sections of your planners just for a quick to-do list. And this month we also get a pack of transparent stickers and cards, so I'm going to bust out my handy dandy little stand so I can give you a close-up. So let's start off with the transparent stickers. These are the bar stickers, and again you have like this perfect coffee color creamer situation color palette here. And then we've got the transparent shape stickers. We get 2 sheets of those, so these all have the different icons on them. And then the transparent circle icons. And then the transparent corner stickers. I really like these patterns over here. And then you've got the transparent words stickers with some different phrases on there. And then the transparent washi stickers. And these are broken down. It's split right here, so you get 2 of each of the patterns. And then I'll do the cards one at a time since they're clear, so you'll be able to see them really well. So first we have this little flat lay, which I love flat lays. You got your VB pins here, your planner, a gorgeous plant. I mean, this is so cute. And then we've got a vertical card with a little outfit flat lay. And another vertical card which has Fueled by Coffee scripted with a little coffee shelf. And then probably my favorite of the 4, I don't know, it's kind of tied with the flat lay, but I love this one, it's so cute. So in the little box it says coffee planners and pretty pins. That's definitely me. I think the only thing is I'm gonna have to take a little Sharpie and add another comma here. Is anyone else like that with the Oxford comma? All of these are so, so pretty. I love seeing them in people's pockets. I've also seen people, like, pretend this, here, we'll flip this way. If this was their planner, just kind of clipping it on to the side so that it layers on. Well, if I could get that, there we go, clip it actually on there. So like if this is their dashboard or their divider, they just have it clipped on for a little bit of extra deco. I'd love to hear how you all use these, so share below please so I can get some fun ideas. And of course, every month we get 2 washi tapes in our VB kits. We get a skinny and a standard size, so I'm going to go ahead and open these up and roll them out. So first up, we will roll out the skinny roll. And I mean, this is beautiful. The splatter pattern with the very soft neutral colors and background, the gold foiling. I can see this being used for like tons of different layouts and spreads. And next up, we have the standard size roll, which features Papershire Stationery's coffee art. I mean, how cute is that with the foiled cups? And the background has this really nice light watercolor ombre effect to it. Next up, we're going to flip through this month's stickers, and we will start with the Deco Sheet. So we've got a little sneak peek right there at the top of this month's VBKit VB pen. And we've got some really nice deco with the cups and plants and shelves, desks, and all of them have the foiling. This is so pretty. And then for our main sticker book, as always, you have your date and kit name here at the top and an overview on the back. So let's flip through here, get some nice close-ups. Here are the full boxes. This is like my main tagline. It's all over my Instagram, my YouTube, so I'm gonna have to save this one. That is too good. And then we have our circle icons, labels, bill stickers, and then some more full boxes and quarter boxes down at the bottom, clipboards. I really like this one, the art down at the bottom is so simple yet cute. Full page of half boxes. These two. No, all three. I love the ones that have just a tiny bit of deco there, but are still super neutral and you can use it with pretty much anything. And then we've got our headers and labels. This script is beautiful. Wake up with a purpose, love that. And then these have little scallop banners and labels down here. Next up, we have a full sheet of deco. And I'll try to catch it in the light so you can see that foiling. Oh my goodness, look how pretty that foiling is on that shelf too. That just really caught my eye. And then we've got our flags and checklist and banners. And then two sets of date covers, some arrows and tabs and some quote boxes. And then the last sheet, AM and PM box, that's nice for a little schedule. Big to-do list. This was a fun little surprise in this month's VBKit too. It's a double-sided pouch that features Papershire Stationery's artwork. I'm loving the bow and the coffee, the envelope. The cutesy critters aren't really my thing, but I'm thinking this would be really cute to package like a gift in for Christmas for one of my nieces. That would be adorable. So you've also got the gold hardware, and then nice little sized pouch in here to hold your planner things or makeup. So this is such a cute addition. All right, everyone, here is the Cafe Papershire VB pen. This is so cute. So you've got gold hardware, white logo, kind of a creamy beige nude barrel that is shiny, it's not matte. And then this crystal mix, let's see if we can get a close up there. It looks like a very soft pink and some clear iridescent in there. I mean, just so pretty. And I did say that I was going to try and start doing VB pen tests with each of my unboxings for people who are new to the brand, or maybe this is the first of my videos they are catching. So whenever you first take out your VB pen, you want to make sure to remove the red rubber nib completely. And then I'm just going to test it out on the VBKit sticky notepad here. Now, I don't have the best handwriting to begin with, so let's not even mention that, especially when I'm trying to, not get my head focused in on the camera here. But yeah, this thing writes like butter. So pretty. So this is straight out of the packaging. But if you do have any issues with your ink not working or skipping or anything like that, they do include a complimentary ink refill with each VB kit so that you can swap it out and get it working again. And there's also a VB Pen 101 page on the VillabeauTIFFul website that has lots of tips, tricks, frequently asked questions, and helpful information. Oh my goodness. This is so flippin' pretty. Oh my gosh, this gold foiling on top of this soft pink is just too much. Oh my. Look, you've got cupcakes and plants and bows, a tiffy clip, rainbows, like all the cute things you can think of are on this cup. According to the inventory card, which I probably should have read before I started doing the unboxing, that's my bad, I got way too excited. It says that this is a 15-ounce tumbler. So let's take a look here. This is the kind of top you get. And then it's got a little card inside. For cold and hot beverages, not dishwasher safe, do not microwave. That's good to know. So hand wash this beauty so you don't mess up any of this really pretty foiling. Oh my gosh. So this is what caused the VBKit to come in a box rather than an envelope. And I gotta say, I love it, y'all. This is so cute. And last but certainly not least, I'm going to go over the paper pack. And again, this is only if you order the paper pack during your pre-orders. This month, we got 6 cardstocks instead of 4 with 2 vellums. So let's flip through these. So here's the deal. You get all these sheets, double-sided 8.5 by 11-inch decorative cardstock. And it is a very nice quality of cardstock too, perfect for all kinds of different projects, which we have lots of inspiration on the VB Design Team blog if you want to check that out on the VillabeauTIFFul website under Planner Inspiration. I mean, these are good. So they did come folded, they usually do. And there are a couple of blogs showing how you can still use these in your planner if you use like a larger size planner. So that way that you can either make the most out of the crease or cover it up. So that is worth looking into if you have a larger size planner but still want to use these inside of your planner. I mean, look at how pretty all of these colors and patterns are though. So pretty and neutral, perfect for fall, whether you are or are not a coffee drinker. Just so good. And here are the digitals for this month's VBKit. You get all of these clip arts and papers to use over and over again. They're only included with pre-orders though, so don't miss out on next month's. They go live every month on the 20th. All the VB links can be found in the description below, so you can check out the kit info page, the Facebook group, the shop, the design team blog, all of that and more. Don't forget that VillabeauTIFFul now has a Spotify channel where you can find monthly playlists for each of the VB kits to set the mood for all of your planning and crafting. So go follow VB Team and VillabeauTIFFul on Spotify and check out the latest playlist. Also, Tiffany has started doing the official VB reveal videos, so make sure you're following along at the VillabeauTIFFul YouTube channel for a behind-the-scenes look at all of the products that she creates for the VB kits. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, or I'd love to know what your favorite part of this month's VB kit was. Hope y'all enjoyed, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.